Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You will begin by verifying IT2, 0, and that the Rpli module is active because mismatched versions break schema mapping. Once done, take a full snapshot backup so you can roll back if indexing fails. Next, open the admin console and create a new Rpli index job with a clear name and target dataset. Make sure to use incremental mode for large datasets. This reduces downtime and avoids reindexing everything at once. Start the job and monitor the initial queue for errors. You now map fields to Rpli types because correct tokenization and analyzers determine recall and precision. Once mappings are set, tune batching. Choose 5,000 to 20,000 records per batch based on available memory. Smaller batches reduce spikes. Next, enable parallel workers to speed throughput but throttle them so disk and network I/O stay stable. Monitor latency and GC. If you see pauses, reduce worker count or increase JVM heap. Finally, you finish by running the full index and validating with representative sample queries so you confirm relevancy and performance. Once satisfied, commit the index, replicate to read nodes, and update routing and aliases to shift traffic with zero downtime. Monitor metrics for throughput, latency, and error rates for the first 24 hours. If things go wrong, check logs for mapping mismatches or out-of-memory errors. Roll back to the snapshot if indexing corrupted data. Then fix the mapping and rerun on a fresh index.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.